Good morning. So I'm going to review this Gevi espresso machine that I bought off of Amazon. It's a 15 bar heating element. Fairly easy to use. It has the reservoir in the back here. You can hold about a liter, maybe 800 milliliters of water in the back. I use my handy dandy Zerowater filtration unit, which I have a review on another YouTube video if you want to check that out. This takes only maybe 2 minutes to warm up. Once it's warmed up and you want to do a bunch of espresso shots, it does 2 shots at a time. So every time you do those 2 shots, it'll heat it right back up, maybe within 15-20 seconds, just long enough to make another batch. So check it out. Nice guy. So I got my Cafe Bustelo espresso ground coffee, so it's extra fine ground, as it says, with rich, full-bodied taste. Anyway, it's a party size. Ready to go. Made 1 shot already, 2 shots. So there's actually 2 funnels here. Well, that's done. Maybe 6 to 8 seconds. It's my waste, which I use for growing stuff. Currently growing wheatgrass with that, so see how that turns out. They're growing okay. Ready to go once the green light's on. Hope you guys can hear this little rat. I got this little rat right here. Yeah. And we are done. There you go. So that's about it. So the Gevi one is not the cheapest. You don't want that one that has the screw cap on the back. That's only like $30 to $60. You want the reservoir that's in the back. The one with the screw top, you have to pour the water in every time and then seal it back up as it builds pressure in that chamber. This one builds pressure in its own chamber separately from this back. So you don't have to worry about anything. Plus, this is a lot faster. So if you're a busy person, press espresso, then a couple minutes, start to finish, full cup yeah, this one is about $100 off Amazon. You get Prime shipping, and you got free shipping. So always go Amazon Prime and get that free shipping. Especially when you spend that money already, you get the free shows, and get the free shipping. Alright? So that's about all I got. This stuff is pretty good. It's the only one I've been able to find, at least overseas.